So, this vacuum cleaner looks like a toy. This fan doesn't have blades. And this hairdryer has a hole through the middle. Dyson products look weird, but there's a reason. So what's going on? This is episode 41 of Chasing Beauty, and today we're looking at the design of Dyson. To understand Dyson, you have to start with bags, vacuum bags. Before Dyson, every vacuum used the same system. Air gets sucked through a disposable bag that traps the dust. Except the bag clogs. As dirt fills up, airflow gets restricted, and the vacuum gradually loses its suction. You're pushing it around the carpet thinking it's working, but it's slowly choking on its own collection. In the late 1970s, a guy named James Dyson noticed an industrial cyclone at a sawmill, a big cone-shaped device that spins air fast enough to separate sawdust from the airflow using centrifugal force. And so he thought, what if I did that inside a vacuum? Just spin the dirt out of the air. He spent the next 5 years building prototypes. And in 1993, the first mass-produced Dyson vacuum finally launched, the DC-01. But the most interesting decision he made wasn't actually the technology. Dyson made the dustbin clear. You could see the dirt tornado happening inside the machine while you cleaned. Retailers hated it. They wanted the bin tinted or smoked because nobody wanted to look at dust. But Dyson insisted because he realized something. When you finish vacuuming and you look down at a bin full of filth you didn't even know was in your house, the vacuum suddenly seems powerful. Before Dyson, dirt was the shame of the vacuum, something you sealed away in an opaque bag and threw out. Dyson turned it into a performance. Now the Dyson fan. The air multiplier looks impossible because the part your brain expects to see, spinning blades, isn't there. But it's not actually bladeless. There's an impeller hidden in the base that draws air in. That air gets pushed up through the ring and accelerated over a ramp that looks like an airfoil. The surrounding air gets pulled along with it through a process called entrainment. Dyson says this multiplies the initial airflow up to 15 times. What Dyson actually removed was the experience of blades. The cage, the chopping, the visible mechanical violence of a normal fan. What's left is just a clean loop of air. Then there's the hairdryer. Most dryers are shaped like pistols because the motor sits in the barrel. Dyson's move was to shrink the motor. Their V9 digital motor spins at up to 110,000 RPM, and they put it in the handle instead. Once the motor leaves the head, the whole shape can change. It can become a ring. So what's the underlying pattern? Every Dyson product starts the same way. Find a household object that everyone tolerates but that nobody loves. Find the invisible failure inside it and then rebuild the mechanism and make the final solution exciting to use. Dyson's beauty is theatrical. Their machines are designed to make you feel the engineering happening.